Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to create a schedule in Line. Now let us begin. Note that I have already logged into my account. In case you are facing any issues while logging in, worry not, we have also created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let us simply look at how to create a schedule. Initially what you guys have to do is simply go to any chat interface. Right now, as you guys can see, I have gone to the chat interface with my friend. At the bottom left, you can see the plus icon right here, right next to camera. Click on it right now. And guys, that is it. From here, all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as schedule. It's usually on the second row. Click on it. Now this is it guys. All you need to do is add the event name and the event details. Along with that, simply pick the date. I'm gonna do it right now. And guys, that is it. As you guys can see, I have filled out almost everything. Now let's simply click on invite members, the green button. That's it guys. Finally, click on send. Do note that this will send a message like this: I created an event, please RSVP to it. And guys, that is it. That's how we create a schedule in Line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.